today I'm going to show you how to stop the startup apps in Windows 10. So just before that, if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe and press a bell icon so that you get all notification when I post a next video. So if you are ready, come let's start. So first and foremost, press a Windows button and type it as startup and enter. So after entering, you will be landing to this page, and you can see here lots of apps is there. So I made it only 2 apps to start during the system on. That is only Windows Security. I made it on. Rest of I made it. So I made it off. And this is the one method. So I'm going to show you another method by going to, that is by clicking on taskbar. Right click on taskbar, go to task manager, and here you can find it as processor performance, apps history, and app store. So here you can see I made it all disabled except Windows security and antivirus. Apart from that, I made enabled everything so that during the system startup, if more and more apps is there, system is going to take bit longer to start completely. So to do that complications, so I recommend you to only keep only the Windows security. Apart from that, you keep it disabled. So once window is land up with the home page, then you open the required apps. So if you like the video, please do subscribe. If you like the video, please hit a like button. And if you're not subscribed, please do subscribe. And we'll see in the next video. Thank you.